Let's go drift it.
Oh yeah, can you see my face in the screen?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, I'm the Drifting Dad, and today I'm going to do a quick update on things. I've gotten a bunch of sponsors, and you can see here this picture from the last event. I've got a lot more stickers than the last time I drove. And today I want to just go over some of the updates on those sponsors. So one of my new sponsors is Odyssey Battery, and they were nice enough to send me this package. Looks like there's a bunch of goodies on here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you and cut some stuff. Cut. We have a box. So that might be the battery hold down. Have a 12 amp portable charger. We have an Odyssey Extreme Series PC1200 LT. I've used these before in my former job working at a race team. I know they work really well, so I'm really excited to have Odyssey on board with me, and really big thanks goes out to Alan and everyone at Odyssey for excellent product, excellent support. So here we got our battery hold down. It's like a really nice piece. Let's see what we got. We got some hardware, and then we've got these really nice, looks like laser Waterjet cut pieces, some more machine pieces, and looks like that's the actual hold down. Odyssey, very cool. The actual battery itself, here we go. Odyssey battery. So as expected, this is a Odyssey Extreme PC1200. So here's the battery out of the box. Pretty standard, but obviously with the AGM series will be really nice. And it's got, let's see, 540 cold cranking amps. Reserve capacity is 78 minutes. So that's really nice, and it's a non-spillable. So big thanks to Odyssey for providing this with me. This is going to provide me with lots of trouble-free starts and reliable power for the FBR7. Battery out. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the charger. This looks like a really nice portable charger, so I'll take it with me wherever I need to keep this battery in peak condition. It's a 12 amp charger. Looks like it tells you some testing. Condition it, auto maintain. So that's pretty cool. This will be really useful for me, since obviously the RX-7 does not get as much driving time as I'd like it to, but it's important that you keep your battery maintained so you have no issues when you want to fire it up and drive around, or fire it up and go to the track, or when you're at a competition where it really depends on the car needs to start. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up. All right, so I have it plugged in now, and you can see it is on the self-testing. We have waited a few minutes, and it looks like the system check is okay, and we can see now the battery is charging. So there are no buttons on here, so I'm going to assume that after it's charging, it'll go to a conditioning and auto maintain status. So I'll check that later, but it looks like it's a little over half full, and everything's working. So overall, looks like a great product, and it's definitely gonna keep my battery in proper condition. There we go. That's the Odyssey PC1200 Extreme battery, and then the Odyssey 12 amp portable charger.